Oh, you got a pumpkin seed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
A pumpkin seed.
A pumpkin seed. Good job, Alec. Slowly reel it in. Okay, hold up, stop. All right, now slowly reel it in. If it runs, just let it run, okay? Slowly bring it in. Is this your first pike?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, keep moving it. Is it fighting you yet?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, keep slowly bringing it in.
Oh, nice fighting.
He's fighting. Okay, just let it fight. Let it fight. Let it fight. We don't want it to break the line. Now keep bringing it in. Oh, he's right. He's hooked up on the hole. Okay, I got some. Okay. All right. You want to hold him? Here, put the fishing pole down.
Okay, oh goodness, this is exciting.
Yeah, you can just put it down. I'll fix that in a minute. Slow, just let it hang there. They'll get it. Say hi to your dad.
Hi.
Oh, you got a bite. Reel it in, reel it in. Or do you think you have one or no? Just slow. There you go. Watch him on the screen here. Watch the tip. Oh, that's a bite, isn't it? Do you think you got it hooked up yet or not yet? Yep, no, set the hook, set the hook. Pull it up. Pull him up, pull him up. There you go. There you go. Pull him up. You need to horse it out of the hole. There you go. Oh, man!
Wait, is that the same?
No, it's nice.
It's a different.
Yeah, this is the biggest bluegill we have so far. Hold it right there. And I'm going to switch over.